Hello students, now I will start exercise 13.1. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. And second part, the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. So what we will do in this question, एक प्लास्टिक बॉक्स है जिसकी लेंथ 1.5 मीटर है, ब्रेड्थ 1.25 मीटर एंड हाइट 65 सेंटीमीटर है. सो सब फर्स्ट सॉरी हम हाइट सेंटीमीटर में गिवन है तो हम उसको पहले मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. और ऊपर से ओपन है, टॉप जो है उसकी वो ओपन है, तो हमने जो एरिया लेना है उसमें टॉप इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज हमें जो प्लास्टिक बॉक्स बनाना है, प्लास्टिक शीट चाहिए, उसके द एरिया ऑफ द शीट हमने जो निकालना है फॉर मेकिंग द बॉक्स, तो हम उसमें टॉप इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज़ ओपन फ्रॉम द टॉप. सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया surface area of the box we will take, that is curved surface area of box plus base area. Curved surface area is 2 into L plus B plus base area is length into breadth. Length is given 1.5 meter, breadth is 1.25 meter, height is 65 centimeter, means 65 by 100 meter means 0.65 meter. So we will put these values in the curved surface area of the box plus base area because top we will not include in this, so that's why we will not take the total surface area in curved surface area because 4 walls we will take and we will take base area only. Top area we will not take, so that's why 2 into 1.5 plus 1.25 into 0.65 plus 1.5 into 1.25. 2 into 1.5 plus 1.25, 2.75 into 0.65 plus 1.875 will come after multiplication 1.5 into 1.25. 2 into 2.75 into 0.65 plus 1.875. When we will multiply this 2 into 2.75 into 0.65, we will get 3.575 plus 1.875. After addition we will get 5.45 meter square. This is the area of the sheet. After that cost of the sheet is given, that is 1 meter square is equal to rupees 20. So 5.45 meter square is equal to 20 into 5.45, we will get 109 answer. Okay, after that second question is the length and the breadth and the height of the room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall of the room and the ceiling at the rate of this. Means wall and ceiling we will include in this, bottom we will not include because we will not paint the floor, that's why. ठीक है, length, breadth and height is given. Length is 5 meter, breadth is 4 meter and height is 3 meter, and area of the 4 walls plus area of the ceiling room we will take. Top we will not include, same as we have done in question first. 2 into L plus B into H plus length into breadth because base area is also length into breadth rectangular, that's why 2 into length is 5, breadth is 4 and height is 3 meter plus length is 5 and breadth is 4 meter. So 2 into 5 plus 4, 9 into 3 plus 5 4s are 20, 9 3s are 27 into 2, 54 plus 20, 74 meter square will be the area. After that cost of 1 meter square is given, that is 7.50. So 74 meter square area cost is 7.50 multiply 74, rupees 555 is the answer. And now third question, the floor of the rectangular hole has a parameter 250 meter. If the cost of the painting the floor at the rate of rupees 10 meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the hole. Means the floor of a rectangular hole, parameter is given of the floor 250 meter and cost of the painting of the 4 walls की painting की cost given है 10 रुपीज़ पर मीटर स्क्वेयर के हिसाब से, और टोटल कोस्ट इज़ ऑल्सो गिवन 15,000 रुपीज़. तो आपको हाइट निकालनी है होल की, तो हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स जो होगा वो निकालेंगे. एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स जो है वो किसके इक्वल है, 2 into L plus B into H and parameter given है 250 meter. So parameter is 2 into L plus B, that is equal to 250. देखो, we know that the area of the 4 wall is curved surface area of the room 2 into L plus B into H, and parameter of the rectangular hole is 2 into L plus B, and 250 meter given. 2 and 250 will cancel, otherwise you can put 2 into L plus B is equal to 250 in the curved surface area. देखो 2 into L plus B into H is equal to 15,000 rupees given to you. So 2 into L plus B value is 250. We can put here 250 into H is equal to 15,000. So from 10 it will deduct, we can cancel 0 and 0, and height is equal to 1500 by 2 into 125. You will get after cancellation 6 meters. So height is 6 meter. Next, the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. The paint in a certain container is sufficient, कह रहे कि एक कंटेनर है जिससे हम कितना एरिया पेंट कर सकते हैं, 9.375 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया पेंट कर सकते हैं. तो वो कह रहा है हाउ मैनी ब्रिक्स ऑफ द डायमेंशन, कह रहा है कि ऐसी कितनी ब्रिक्स जिनकी डायमेंशन 22.5 सेंटीमीटर है, 10 सेंटीमीटर है, 7.5 सेंटीमीटर है, कि उनको पेंट कर सकें इसी सेम कंटेनर से. तो हमने नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स फाइंड करनी है, राइट. सो लेंथ इज गिवन, दैट इज 2.5 सेंटीमीटर, ब्रेड्थ इज 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट इज 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द brick is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, because total surface area we will find, and brick is like a cuboid. So cuboid total surface area is 2LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into L, length is 22.5 into breadth is 10. Breadth is 10, height is 7.5, height is 7.5 and length is 22.5. So 2 into 225 plus 75 plus 168.75. So after solution we will get 2 into 468.75, 937.5 centimeter square, and centimeter square we will convert into meter. Then 10,000 we will divide this by 10,000, means 100 into 100, it will be 0.09375 meter square. Why we have divided? Because centimeters area is in centimeter square, but we have given the area that is in meter square, so we will convert this into meter square. If we will convert anything centimeter into meter, then we will divide by 100. So square is there, so that's why 2 times 100 we will multiply, and we will divide this 937.5 by 100, multiply 100, it will come. Means total surface area is given 9.375 meters square, it is given to you, and area of one brick is, we have already find 0.09375 meters square. So number of bricks, how we will find? Total area divided by area of one brick. Total area is 9.375 meters square, that is given, and 0.0937 we have already find it. So 0 means if we will deduct this point, then 1 2 3 4 5 0 will come, and from this we will deduct, then 1 2 3 3 means 1000, 30 and 30 will cancel, 9375 and 9375 will cancel, 100 will come after that. So total number of bricks are 100. Okay student, now come to the question number 5. Fifth question, a cubical box has each side 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. You will have to tell which box has the greater lateral surface area and how much, and which box has the smaller surface area and how much. So question 5th, a cubical box has edge 10 centimeter, means cube is given whose side is 10 centimeter, and another cuboid whose length, breadth and height are given. Length is equal to 12.5 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter and height is equal to 8 centimeter. So in first part, what you have to find, which box has the greater lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means curved surface area. So curved surface area of cube is equal to 4 into side square, right? 4 into side is 10 square, that is 4 into 10 square is 100, means 400 centimeter square. Okay, and curved surface area of cuboid, 2 into L plus B into H, right? 2 into length is 12.5 plus breadth is 10 into height is 8, that is equal to 2 into 22.5 into 8. After multiplication, 22.5, what you will get? 360 16 into 2.25, after multiplication you will get 360 centimeter square. So in first part you will have to tell which surface area has greater lateral surface area. So which has greater lateral surface area, that is cube has greater lateral surface, and how much you will have to tell. So how you will tell how much it is greater. So you will have to subtract lateral surface area of cube is greater, है ना? And how much, how you will find? 400 minus 360, 40 centimeter square, means 40 centimeter square it is greater than the cuboid. Okay, now total surface area we will find. Total surface area of cube, that is 6 into side square. 6 into side is 10. 6 into 10 square is 100. So 600 centimeter square is the total surface area of cube, and total surface area of cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Otherwise you can write curved surface area plus twice of length into breadth, right? Curved surface area we have already found, that is curved surface area of cuboid is 360 na? We have already found 360 plus 2 into length is what? Length is 12.5 and breadth is what? Breadth is 10. So it will be 360 plus 2 into 125. 125 to the 250. 360 plus 250, 610 centimeter square. Now which has the smaller total surface area? Smaller total surface area is cube, and how much? 610 minus 610 centimeter square. Okay? Okay. Now come to the question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass panes held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long. Length is given, that is 30 centimeter. Breadth is 25 centimeter, and height is equal to 25 centimeter. Height is also 25. What is the area of the glass? First we will have to find the area of the glass, means total surface area we have to find, that is 2LB plus BH plus HL. 2 length is 30, breadth is 25 plus breadth is 25, height is 25 plus height is 25, length is 30. So 2 750, 625, 750. 750 plus 750 plus 625, 2125 will come. 2 into 2125, that is 4250 centimeter square. And in second part, total tape need for all 12 edges. Total tape need for all 12 edges. 4 times L plus B plus H. How much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges? So how we will do? 4 times we will add length, breadth and height, and we will do 4 times. Then we will get the total tape need for all 12 edges. Okay? Because 3 edges are there and 4 times 4 3s are 12. So 4 times 30 plus 25 plus 25. 4 times this will be 80 and 320